نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 14. In this lesson we will be learning na, meaning our or us. So this is also a pronoun which is dhamir. The meaning of it is our or us. As I said before, it depends on the context. Sometimes it will give you the meaning of our, and sometimes it will give you the meaning of us. And the pronouns or dhamir we have learned so far are ya, meaning my, mine, or me. Ka, meaning your or you. Who, meaning his, him, or it. Ha, meaning her or it. Whom, meaning their, them. That is for masculine plural. And kum, meaning your, you. This is also for masculine plural. So remember these dhamair. So there are two more rules, that these dhamair or pronouns they come after a word. So want to remember, they come after a word attached to the word. For example, hujratuka, your room. So hujratu is room, ka is yours. So the pronoun or dhamir is coming after the word and attached to the word. So hujratuka, your room. Shatukum, your goat. Shatukum, your goat. If you look, it is coming after a word and attached to the word. Ummahatuhum, their mothers. If you look, the pronoun hum is coming after the word and attached to the word. Ummahatuhum, their mothers. Is mother. Ummahat is mothers. So in this lesson we will be learning the na, meaning our or us. Baytuna, our house. Baytuna, our house. Shajratuna, our tree. Shajratuna, our tree. Babuna, our door. Bab is a door, na is our. So babuna, our door. Imamuna fi masjidina. Imamuna fi masjidina. Our imam is in our masjid. Imamuna, our imam, fi masjidina, is in our masjid. Masjidina, our masjid. Masjidina, our masjid. So let's see the na in the Quran. رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةً. Our Lord, give us in this world good. رَبَّنَا, our Lord, آتِنَا, give us فِي الدُّنْيا, in the word حَسَنَةً, good. So if you look, رَبَّنَا, our Lord. Na, the meaning is our. رَبَّنَا, our Lord. Atina, give us. Here is giving you the meaning of us. Na, atina, give us. Ati, give. Na, us. So atina, give us. Fi dunya, in the word hasana, good. وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار, and in the hereafter good, and save us from the punishment of the fire. وفي الآخرة, and in the hereafter حسنة, good. وقنا عذاب النار, and save us from the punishment of nar, the fire. So here if you look, Kina, save us. Kina, save us. Na is giving the meaning of us. Ki is save, na is us. Kina, save us. Adhab an-nar, from the punishment of fire. Here's a beautiful dua. We say it all the time in the beginning of the lesson. So now you have to memorize it. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana. Glory be to you. We have no knowledge except what you have taught us. So Subhanaka, glory be to you. La ilma lana, no knowledge for us. Illa ma 'allamtana, illa except ma 'allamtana, what you have taught us. So here the word lana, for us. Lana, for us. 'Allamtana, you have taught us. So the na, meaning us. You will see these pronouns everywhere in the Quran. So remember, whenever you see na at the end of a word attached to the word, the meaning will be our or us. Subhanaka, glory be to you. Ka is another zamir, meaning you. So let's see the pronoun na with the preposition, meaning al-huruf al-jar. Fina, in us. Fina, in us. Alayna, on us. Alayna, on us. Minna, from us. Ilayna, to us. Fina, in us. Alayna, on us. Minna, from us. Ilayna, to us. These are the prepositions, huruf al-jar, and the na is pronoun lamir. So try to memorize them, and whenever you read Quran, try to focus on all the zamir that we have studied so far, and all the huruf al-jar that we have studied so far as well. Rules to memorize. And these pronouns come after a word attached to the word. So remember, the pronouns comes after a word attached to the word. And another one we have studied, the rule which was, then whenever the pronoun comes with a word, there will be no alif lam with that word. Rules to memorize. Imamun, imam. Ummahatun, mothers. Is mother, ummahat is mothers. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also ring the bell so you get the new upcoming videos.